Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13U, and let me share with you how to manage Google account, so basically how to add it and then how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the passwords and accounts. As you can see, of course, here we've got whole Google section with the services and preferences, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let's tap on it, and here tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me tap on it and tap on next. What's more, a quick disclaimer: you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. As you can see right now, we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, tap on OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then enter it in order to confirm. And as you can see, the account simply disappeared. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Motorola Edge 13U. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.